friends, welcome back to our channel. So here we are with our next video. So in this video we are just explaining that how to play COC. How to play in the sense this is not for pro players, this is just for the beginners from TH1. What all the things, what are the troops, what all things are there, what all things we have to take care while playing COC. Like that. So I'm guessing that this one will help for the beginners a lot. So we can just go to our video. So when we start, our town hall is there. This is our base. So they are showing that we need to shop cannon. So I select that and place it there. So our builder is constructing that building. So please don't use gem unnecessarily. Let them build that. So after that it's some demo type of thing. Some goblins are coming to attack our cannon. So please watch that, how our cannon is defending them. Yeah, it's done. So we got some wizards from them and we have to go for attack with them. So while doing the attack, first we have to destroy the defensive buildings. Here there is only one cannon, so destroy them, and then only the remaining buildings. So that we got 1 star and the town hall is building. Yeah, we got 3 star and corresponding elixirs and gold. They are resources. Yeah, going back, we need to build more buildings. Yeah, okay. Here we are taking a builder hut. As I said earlier, don't use gems unnecessarily because we have to build builder huts more, and if we need to change our name going forward, we need gems. Yeah, so again I'm building one more building. It's elixir collector. So these are resource builders which will give us elixir for that is needed for upgrading, constructing, or even training troops. So next I'm taking elixir storage for these collecting elixirs, and similarly for gold also, gold mine is already there, so we have to construct gold storage as well. So I am constructing that also. So let them construct that. After this we can construct barracks. Barracks means those are army buildings. So here barracks will help us for training troops. We are training our troops there and we are using those troops for attacking other bases. So we are constructing barracks. So after this we can train the troops and we can go for attack. Yeah, so here we are training troops. Select required troops, then train them. So please don't use gem here as well. So I am using that because I have to wrap this video earlier. So I'm going for attack. Yeah, here as well deploy our troops there. So take care of their defensive building. First destroy them. Here it's archer and our troops are destroying their archer tower. Yeah, okay. Then the remaining buildings, they are destroying them. Yeah, it's done. So perfect, we got 100%, means 3 star gold and elixir. Going back, so here we have to name our base, so please give the name as you wish. So here I am giving Gen Gaming and it's our channel name, so please do subscribe our channel. Yeah, that is also done. So here it's saying our gold storage is completed, so we have to upgrade our town hall. So our town hall is getting upgraded, so let's wait. So the blue thing showing there is our profile. profile means they will show us our base details, we can check that, and also as well as achievements. So as we complete these achievements, we'll get corresponding gems from that. Okay, so coming back, so now we can do whatever we want. I am just going to train some troops because we have to go for attacks, get more elixir, gold, and we have to do lot of things. So I just put that for train, and this is a list which will show what all things we have to place as new, or what all things we have to upgrade. And here one thing, as we upgrade town hall, we'll get more buildings and upgrade limit. So build needed buildings. As simply we can upgrade our town hall after constructing all the available new buildings, but for more efficient base, it is better to make town hall max. Max means construct all new buildings, and along with that do all upgrades for all buildings to its maximum available limit. This will make our town hall to max, then only upgrade our town hall to next level. As it is, while upgrading all the buildings will increase our efficiency. So here again I am going for one attack. So here I am using gem because I don't have enough gold, so you guys please don't do that. Here also checking for defensive buildings, first destroy them. Here there are 2 cannons, so I am first destroying them. So deploy required troops for destroying those defensive buildings, then only go for next buildings. So here you can see as I am destroying them, I am getting loots in the sense resources to my base. So here there is one thing, if we destroy 50% of our attacking base, we'll get first star, and then second star for destroying town hall, and then the last star for complete attack, means 100%. These are the stars we are getting, how we are getting the stars. So if we destroy town hall and more than 50%, we'll get 2 stars, and if we destroy almost 99% but don't the town hall, then also we'll get only 1 star. That is the importance of town hall. Yeah, going back again, I'm going for training some troops for next, getting ready for next attack. Because as we do more and more attacks, we'll get more resources. So here I am using gem for making this video faster. Again I'm going for one attack, destroying the defensive thing. So keep in mind, first destroy the defensive building, then concentrate on town hall, because we'll get 2 star if we destroy more than 50% plus town hall, and we don't get 2 star if we destroy almost all things except town hall. So they are destroying each buildings. So I am thinking that you all guys got some idea how to play, how to gain resources, what all are the buildings that we have to build. Yeah, they are destroying. You can see 60% done, but I didn't get 2 star. So our troops are going to destroy town hall. Yeah, 90% done. Then also without town hall I got only 1 star, with town hall I got 100 means 3 star, 100%. Again coming back to our base, I am putting some troops for training. Okay, I am checking for some upgrades because one of my builder is free, so I am checking for what to build or construct next, and I put something for building. you guys can do whatever you need. Yeah, now here is this walls. This one will help us to protect our buildings, especially town hall from attacks, because town hall is our important thing. So you guys can arrange your base as you want, place all these things. As I am removing the stone, you guys can also remove the unwanted things from here, trees, stones, everything you can remove and make your base beautiful. Arrange the buildings walls as you like. Okay, so again you can see the specifications when we upgrade one thing. So again I'm going for one attack. Okay, this will be my final attack. So here as well check for the defensive mechanism. So I am deploying my troops near to that only. Here is the defensive building is cannon, so I am deploying my troops near to cannon, which will help them to destroy that first. After that, after destroying that only, I am deploying my remaining troops. And one more thing, we can deploy required troops as well. So I am deploying some of them, then only I am deploying the rest of them. That you can do as you wish. Here as well I am getting stars. They are destroying each building. 90%, then 100%, 3-star. Yeah, it's perfect. Going back, upgrade what all things you want. From here onwards you can do whatever you want. Again going one more attack. Here this next is there. Next, this one will help you to find appropriate base to get more loot, means to get more resources, or which one is good for you. You can select a balanced one. Balanced in the sense we can destroy each and also we can get more loots, and you can destroy them, which will give you more resources as well, more trophies as well. Yeah, so here is my last attack in this video. They are destroying each and everything, so let us give some time, let them destroy everything. So by this video guys, I'm thinking that you guys got an idea how to play this, how to begin this, what are the things that we have to take care while playing this and all. And also by seeing these attacks you are getting some idea also. Okay, so let's see. So our troops are destroying them one by one. Okay, we are getting our loads from that. Finally they are destroying army camp, cold storage. Yeah, finally we got 3-star for them as well. Okay, so friends, we are winding up this video and upload one more as a follow-up. In that we'll explain about clan castle and clans and all related things. So if you guys have any suggestions or things to improve, please give us feedback, or else you have to suggest something that we have to add more, that also you can tell to us. So thank you for watching our video. If you like this video and feel that this is helpful for you, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you for everyone.